Elsa, can you look at this photo?
What is it, Mom?
He is Mrs. Smith's son.
Oh, no, not again.
He is 32 and very successful.
I am not interested, Mom.
But you didn't even look at him.
I don't want a blind date.
You are 30 years old, Elsa.
I know exactly how old I am.
Most of your friends are married.
That is their life, not mine.
I just want you to be happy.
I am happy right now.
You need a good man to take care of you.
I can take care of myself.
It is too lonely to live alone.
I have a great job and good friends.
But you come home to an empty room.
I like the quiet.
Just meet him for one coffee.
Please, Mom, stop pushing me.
I am just trying to help.
This does not help me. It stresses me out.
Why are you so stubborn?
Because I want to find love naturally.
Natural love takes too much time.
I don't care how long it takes.
You will be too old soon.
30 is not old, Mom.
Just one dinner, please? Do it for me?
No. My answer is no.
You make me very sad.
And you make me very tired.
I will leave the photo on the table.
I will just throw it away.
Think about it, please.
I need to go to my room now.
We will talk about this later.
There is nothing to talk about.
Elsa, your mother is upset.
I know she is.
She just worries about your future.
I wish she would stop worrying.
We both want you to have a family.
A family is a big responsibility.
Yes, but it is a beautiful thing.
I am not ready for marriage, Dad.
When will you be ready?
I don't know. Maybe never.
Don't say that, sweetie.
I'm just being honest.
A woman should have a husband and children.
That is an old way of thinking.
It is the natural way of life.
Everyone's life is different, Dad.
Don't you want to hear a child call you Mom?
Maybe one day, but not today.
Your mother and I are getting older.
I know. I can see that.
We want to see our grandchildren.
That is too much pressure for me.
It is not pressure, it is love.
It feels like a heavy burden.
We just want the best for you.
But what if the best is staying single?
You will regret it when you are 50.
I will take that risk.
Why is it so hard to talk to you?
Because you don't listen to my feelings.
We listen, but we have more life experience.
This is my life. Let me live it.
We're running out of time, Elsa.
I need some air. I'm going for a walk.
Where are you going?
Just to the park. I need to be alone.
Don't stay out too late.
I will be back later.
Please think about what I said.
I will. Goodbye, Dad.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, you can sit here.
Thank you. It is a beautiful evening.
Yes, it is very nice.
I noticed you were sitting here alone.
I just needed some quiet time.
Are you okay? You look a bit sad.
I am fine, just a long day.
Sometimes a long walk helps clear the mind.
That is why I am here.
Family problems or work problems?
A little bit of family pressure.
I understand. Families can be difficult sometimes.
They want me to get married, but I don't want to.
Marriage is a very big step.
Exactly, but they think I am running out of time.
There is no time limit on finding the right person.
That is exactly what I told them.
Some people find love at 20, some at 40.
It is hard when everyone judges you.
You should live life at your own pace.
Thank you. I really needed to hear that today.
I'm Leo, by the way.
I'm Elsa. Nice to meet you, Leo.
Nice to meet you too, Elsa.
You are a very good listener.
I just think people should follow their own hearts.
Agreeing. It is better to wait for real love.
Yes, rushing into marriage is a bad idea.
My parents just want to see grandchildren.
They mean well, but it's your choice.
I feel much better after talking to you.
I am glad I could help a little.
It's nice to talk to a stranger sometimes.
Well, if you ever need to talk, I come to this park often.
What time do you usually come?
Usually around 6 o'clock with my coffee.
Maybe I will see you here again.
I would really like that, Elsa.
Have a good evening, Leo.